Hi. This video will tell you how to use Payment Reconciliation function to help you reconcile your marketplace's income. In Shopee and TikTok Payment Reconciliation page, here are the information you can get. First, you can verify whether the platform has released the income. On To Release page, completed orders that have not been released within 24 hours will have a release late tag. Second, you can verify whether the released income is correct. By checking Amount Difference on Released page, you can verify the income. The amount difference equals platform released amount minus estimated release amount. Third, you can mark abnormal orders after you appeal to the platform. For abnormal orders in Released page, you can double-check in Seller Center first. Once the payment is confirmed, you can mark them as processed. Fourth, you can export the payment reconciliation data. Both on To Release and Released page can export the data. In Lazada Payment Reconciliation page, first, you can summarize statement information for all Lazada stores on one page. Second, you can export the statement information through the Export function on the page and then perform amount statistics in the Excel file. Third, after receiving the payment from the platform, you can mark the statement as collected on Big Seller to avoid duplicate processing. Also, you can filter statement status or currency to view the data from the condition you need. If you have any further questions, please click Chat with us in the lower right corner to contact our customer service for assistance.